Is it time to buy or sell CAVA Group stock? In this video, we will explore CAVA Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2025, our system has ranked CAVA Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.55. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock witnessed a decline of -0.65%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.22% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within the midst of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.26% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -9.14% to positive 12.28%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of -34.27%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -71.79% and -13.17% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $23.84 and $73.37. Our latest daily update for CAVA Group includes the headline, CAVA Group Inc. stock price ended at $84.50 on Tuesday after gaining 2.67%. The stock price of CAVA Group Inc. increased by 2.67% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, rising from $82.30 to $84.50. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.09%, reaching a low of $82.60 and a high of $85.15. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.24% during that period. Notably, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 6 million shares changing hands for approximately $469,870,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $172.43, while the lowest price was $70. Currently, the price is 50.99% or $87.93, below the 52-week high of $172.43, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. CAVA's earnings update on August 12, 2025, unsettled the markets. The Mediterranean fast casual chain reported weaker than expected same-store sales and fell short on quarterly revenue, subsequently lowering its full-year same-store sales outlook. Management recognized that consumers are navigating a fog, resulting in a significant drop in the stock price. In the short term, anticipate ongoing volatility. Lowered guidance often leads to profit-taking, analyst revisions, and increased downside risk as investors reassess near-term growth and margin expectations. However, the company continues to expand, with new openings, such as its recent debut in Pittsburgh, and management's assertion of gaining market share is promising for a longer-term perspective. The long-term impact will depend on whether CAVA can restore comparable sales growth, manage unit-level costs effectively, and justify its premium valuation through sustained unit economics and margin improvement. If execution falters, the pressure on valuation may continue. Conversely, if comparable sales and margins recover, downside risks could be limited, allowing the growth narrative to reemerge. In summary, short-term pressures exist, with potential long-term upside contingent on execution. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 12th of August 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned CAVA an overweight rating with an initiate action. On the same day, Bernstein also rated CAVA as equal weight with a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 5th of August 2025, UBS rated CAVA as neutral with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of July, 2025, KeyBank gave CAVA an overweight rating with an initiate action. Finally, on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, Citigroup assigned CAVA a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Cava Group stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Cava Group. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is typically seen as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative indicators have also emerged, potentially impacting the short-term outlook. The stock of Cava Group, Incorporated, is currently receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic forecast. During upward corrections, there may be resistance at levels of $86.04 and $85.93. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, July 11, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 8.2%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Cava Group. Cava Group Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $84.23. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically experiences good trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is regarded as low. Over the most recent day, the stock fluctuated by $2.55, which is a 3.09% change between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.85%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Cava Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 13 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Cava Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Cava Group is at $86.77. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Cava Group encounters its first support level at $84.23. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Cava Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On June 16, 2025, Bertram Kenneth Robert purchased 169 shares of common stock. On June 16, 2025, Summers Jennifer bought 133 shares of common stock. On June 16, 2025, Phillips Adam David acquired 146 shares of common stock. On June 16, 2025, Tullivar Trisha K purchased 197 shares of common stock. On June 20, 2025, Sheikh Ronald M. bought 1,767 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 55.019. In total, insiders acquired 709,297 shares and sold 2,844,220 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is CAVA Group stock a good buy? The CAVA Group Incorporated stock shows several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that CAVA Group Incorporated will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of August, we expect CAVA Group to open lower by 417/10,000ths and begin trading at $84.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.